If you are looking to lose weight quickly, you may have heard that carbohydrates are a big no-no, that you'll never lose weight unless you cut out all carbs from your diet. This is the premise behind many popular diets today, as thousands or even millions are turning to low-carb living. The truth, however, is that we all need carbs in our diet. Carbohydrates are what our body breaks down to use as energy. They are important to all cells and parts of the body, including the brain. While we do need carbs in our diet, you want to make sure that you're getting the right ones. Simple carbohydrates are found in foods such as white bread, white pasta, white rice, dough, and many baked goods. These are refined or high glycemic carbs, which, if eaten too often, can cause you to gain weight by quickly raising your blood glucose level and can even cause you to be at risk for developing type 2 diabetes. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, contain fiber, which aids in digestive health and managing blood sugar levels, both of which can help you to lose weight more efficiently. The fiber also helps you to feel full longer, another plus for weight loss. With vitamin B and certain minerals, these carbs can help maintain your energy level and even help manage cholesterol levels. Complex carbs are found in foods such as brown rice, oats, beans, sweet potatoes, barley, and starchy vegetables. For quick weight loss, complex carbs can be a healthy, satisfying part of your daily diet while providing great nutritional value as well. Choose them carefully, eat sensible portions, and watch the weight come off. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weight-loss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.